Alrighty guys, so today is part one of this room cleanup video. Sorry I look a little crusty. Zara's here. So far I have pulled things out of the closet and I already started like organizing the closet. So because you guys, it was a hot mess. But I have clothes over here that's going to get donated in that area. This is the box for that's the box for donation. I don't know what that box is going to be. It might be for donation. In here, that's just Zoe's like thing that goes over her bed, her crib, when she was in the crib. In this container is like some of my winter clothes and some extra clothes that the girls can't fit, that Zoe can't fit, but it's going to be for Zara. And clothes I just want to keep. Some clothes that need to go in the drawer. Stuff that needs to go in the closet. My wigs. So let me show you the closet. There was shoes all down here. These containers I actually want to lay flat because I go through them every day. So I want to be able to access them. And then I'm going to put that big container here. This is our closet, guys. It's a hot mess. We use it for storage because we don't have a lot of storage in this apartment. But I'm going to reorganize Zoe's clothes. That's just Zara's clothes that's hanging up. Okay, girl. Some samples for other stuff. But there's all my shoes, which are going to stay. And my clothes are just pretty much going to stay like this for now until I can get some stuff to reorganize that. And that's what's going on up here. All my handbags are down here on this rack, and Zoe's shoes are down there, which needs to be organized. And our dirty clothes hamper, me and Zoe's. And there's Zara's suitcase. And my leggings and jeans here. And then my sandals and my tennis shoes and stuff are there. She's crazy. So that's what I'm working with. So what I was trying to do is show you guys some reorganization of Zoe's clothes, because I got new hangers for her and it's probably not going to be enough. So I'm probably going to have to go back. And then I reorganized like my craft drawer, my craft case and my craft and my sewing case, like the containers that have like all my fabrics and all my craft stuff, because I do their party stuff. I DIY all that stuff. And in this big gray container just has like excess clothes. So I'm just going to show you guys me organizing their drawers, which here is their dresser. I actually bought this from someone. Oh my god, I am zooming in. How am I doing? Anyhow, I actually bought this dresser from that Facebook thing and it was like 15 bucks. So it's a really nice dresser. I am going to redo this dresser, but this side is Zara's, that side is Zoe's. Don't mind the way. But I'm going to empty out the drawers, take stuff that they can't fit, and show you guys how I'm going to reorganize them, because they only have 3 drawers each and they have a lot of stuff. So I really want to redo this little situation. So I only have like an hour and a half, and I'm hopefully I'm going to get through this. I already did the first part, which I didn't want to film because it was just me going through a whole bunch of crap that I just threw in the trash. But I'm going to do this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. What do you call this? I don't even know, but let's get into it, guys. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off by just going through the clothes that I'm going to donate. So I was just trying to fit it all into the box and just stacking it in there to kind of get that out of the way so I can tackle the rest. So once I got that tackled, I'm going to bring out some hangers and I'm going to empty out the girls' drawers and go ahead and go through those things and basically get rid of stuff that we don't need and donate that stuff and go through what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Okay, so I got these organizers from IKEA and they were $5.99 for a pack of 6 of them. So you get 2 small ones, 2 medium ones, and 2 large ones. And I was just trying to see how I can fit the ones I already had with the ones I just bought. And now I'm going through Zara's clothes. Please forgive my boobs hanging out, my shirt. I was just a mess trying to get this room clean. And so as you can see that they fit perfectly, and I just kind of went through the drawers and organized everything. But it was $5.99, which you can't beat. I love IKEA. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to buy these containers. And I got just 2 packs of them, so that was plenty for both sides. Now to tackle the closet, I'm going to first take off the stickers of these hangers. I bought these hangers also from IKEA. It comes with a pack of like 8 hangers for $2.29. So I got 5 packs of those, and I only need like maybe one more pack to finish your closet. So I just went through and just took off all the clothes that had some raggedy hangers that I didn't want, and I exchanged them for the colorful hangers. And then I just took out all these cute pink hangers, and I'm using those for Zara because those are actually baby hangers. And that's basically what I did, and I color coded all of Zoe's clothes and got rid of everything that was way too small for Zoe and things that Zara probably won't be able to fit anymore because she's gotten bigger. But that's just basically all I did, was get rid of all those store-bought hangers. So now you guys can see that the closet looks way better. The hangers are color coordinated. They're really cute. I love the colorful hangers, and Zoe's clothes look really nice and neat. And so does Zara once I can get more hangers for her. And I'm just showing you guys just a panoramic view of my closet with the shoes, and that I did organize the storage containers, and it looks so much better in the closet. There's way more space, even though it is AKA storage. And here's how the drawers turned out. As you guys remember, they were a hot mess before, but they look so much better now. I love how organized they are, and Zoe was really excited when she came home. So yeah guys, that's it. Okay guys, so I finally finished organizing their room, well, their clothes, sorry. This is part 1 of a part 2 video. Sorry, they are mowing the grass outside, so I tried to wait, but they're taking way too long and it's almost time for me to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was simple, but it makes a difference because their drawers look a lot cleaner, and there's space for other things that can go in there that I didn't think there was space for, because these drawers are not as deep as what they look like on the dresser. So it took me about 2 hours to do this whole process, from taking everything out and reorganizing and straightening up and folding everything and getting it back into the drawer. I do have like a box of hangers that's going in the trash because I switched out all Zoe's hangers. Those are my hangers, and those are some extra things. And I took my wigs from out the closet, but Zoe's hangers look really cute. I think it looks really fun. The next thing is to find some kid hangers like this for her skirts, but I had to go buy 2 more packs, I think, because it comes in a pack of 8 for the rest of this stuff. And then all these pink hangers will be Zara's hangers, and so I can get rid of these little hangers and she'll just have pink hangers. So I hope you guys like this type of video. I hope it was somewhat informative. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos, if you want to see more. But stay tuned for part 2 when I redecorate the room. I'm pretty sure that's the part you guys really want to see, when I'm going to take everything out and down and redo this whole entire room, and I'm going to fancy up this dresser. So stay tuned for part 2, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.